A very good morning to you. So before, in the last video, I talked a little bit about the importance of grounding before and after meditation. So now I'm going to go through this grounding technique with you. So take a few moments and center yourself in the present moment. You can almost bring your awareness back to your breath, consciously becoming aware of each inhalation and each exhalation, the cycle of each breath entering your body and leaving your body. Very gently be aware of your physical body. As you breathe, feel the air nourishing your core, nourishing you. Bring yourself into this experience of the present moment. This now, this space that you're in. It might be nice and cozy, might be a little cool, might be a little warm. This space you're in, just bring yourself back to this space. You may feel this stability of the chair, or if you're lying down, the bed you're lying down on, whatever is holding and supporting you at this time. If you're sitting on the floor, you can imagine the earth almost supporting and cradling you in this moment. So feel this space. Feel this moment right now. Feel your body and your breath. And very, very gently bring your awareness into your heart center. And feel your heart opening into this space, almost unfurling like a lotus blossoming. You may feel the rise of joy, or the awakening of joy, the awakening of peace within you. Take a few moments to be immersed in this peace, in this moment, becoming very, very aware of these different aspects of you, the emotions, your physical body, the breath, the space that you're in, and the ground, or the physical, tangible aspects that are holding you in this moment, that are holding you in this space. As your heart opens, as you feel this river of peace, of joy, almost running through your being, gently allow yourself to set the intention for your practice. Be very clear with your intention. Be very clear with the words you choose for your intention. So it might be best to just write this down before you begin this practice. Write down the words. So when you're doing this practice, you can read through the words. Let each word that you write down for your intention be resonant, fully resonant with you. Once you are done, Just take a few moments, breathing, anchoring yourself, and then gently moving into your meditation. So this is for the beginning of, before your meditation, you can use this practice. Now for the grounding after your meditation. So once again, let's say you've finished your meditation, you're almost ready to come up, ready to come out of your practice. So as you're slowly beginning to come out of your practice, and now beginning to ground yourself once again. So we're going to use the same method as before. Become very conscious and very aware of your breathing, your inhalation, your exhalation. Become very aware of your physical body at the same time. Allow your consciousness, your awareness to center itself within an imaginary column, within running up and down your physical body. Feel your core. Feel the strength, the power of your core. And very, very gently bring your awareness to the base of the spine and the soles of the feet. And feel your awareness grounding into the earth. You may imagine or visualize roots almost forming, going down deep into the earth, centering itself into the earth. Take a few moments to feel yourself connected to the earth, to this space, into your physical body. And then very, very gently open your eyes with a smile. You may wish at this time to honor yourself for taking the time to embark on a practice such as this. This is simply a conscious practice to acknowledge yourself in this moment, to acknowledge the work you do for yourself. It is, once again, I wouldn't say validation, but acknowledgement and appreciation of yourself. It is a fundamental aspect of self care, it is a fundamental aspect of self love. Honoring each practice that you do, honoring each act that you do. So take the time, give yourself this space. You don't have to rush anywhere after a practice. You can simply take the time to come out of it slowly and make sure that if you've had a particular meditation that was particularly emotional or particularly uncomfortable, if you've had one of those experiences, we don't have them all the time, but if we are experiencing stress in life at the present moment, we might, when during meditation, we might face some of those stress internally. And when that is the case, almost know that you need to give yourself some time to integrate the practice. And meditation, contrary to what scientific evidence says, meditation is quite taxing on the physical system. It's quite taxing on the emotional and mental aspects of you. So some days and some experiences during meditation can be very physically draining. And during those experiences, or when you are having those experiences, you want to take it very, very easy on the physical body. You don't want to tire the body out. You want to nourish the body with good nutrition. You want to drink lots of water. You want to keep hydrated. You just want to almost take care of your body at that time. Just giving it that space, giving it that little bit of TLC, tender loving care, just to go through what it's going through, because it is going through something, and it is going through and releasing a lot of these old stressful energies that tend to stagnate within our physical system. So become always to try and see where you are in the present moment. If you've had a particularly challenging meditative experience, then take that time to give yourself that nourishment. But if you've had a very good, energetic meditative experience, a very happy one, then you can again use that energy, channel that energy into the projects that you're doing, channel that energy into move it into the world, move it into relationships or connections that you have. You can almost channel this positive energy, you can almost share your happiness with other people. So use the energy as you have them. So some days are going to be difficult, and some days are going to be very, very good. And what we are really doing during any meditation is moving through the layers of consciousness that we have within our physical system, within our psyche. And as we strip away these layers of consciousness, we begin to see the true, authentic self, the true self that is you. And you may be very surprised at who you meet. So almost look at this as a practice in curiosity, trying to find who this real you is, not the you that has been formed and shaped because of experiences in your life, because of certain things that you've been through, and certain things that you think you may have forced yourself into that you didn't really want. So take that time to get to know yourself. And as you get to know yourself, you will really be impressed at the person that you are. You may really fall in love with the person that you are. And that is the ultimate goal, falling in love with yourself. So thank you very, very much. And I'll see you in the next video.